guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Naya. Thank y'all for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this high puff right here. If you guys like what you see, stay tuned. Alright guys, the things that I'll be using in this video is some Eco Styler gel, a hairbrush, a spray bottle with water and conditioner, a toothbrush for my baby hairs, a scarf, and a hairband to create the high puff with. Alright guys, I'm just going to start off with my Argan Oil Eco Styler gel, and I'm going to take a good bit of this and I'm going to apply this all around the perimeter of my head. And I'm just going to take my hair and smooth it upwards, kind of just to prepare my hair for the puff. And now I'm going to take my hairbrush and I'm going to continue to smooth my hair upwards. And on the sides of my head, you guys can kind of see that I'm taking the brush in like a swooping motion. I don't know, I just feel like it kind of gives the style a little bit more style. And now I'm just brushing the back. The back is really the most important part of the puff, in my opinion. You want to really make sure you smooth out all those kinks. As you guys can see, I'm like kind of switching between both sides of the brush to really help smooth my hair out. Alright guys, now I'm going to take the hairband. I'm going to put it over my hair and kind of just leave it on my forehead. And now I'm going to take the band and kind of like twist the front of it. You guys can kind of see what I'm doing. And when I do that, I take that part and I pull that part. And then I take my thumbs and the rest of my hand to like push up the hairband, if that makes any sense. You guys can pretty much just see it because I can't really explain it. But I do this, I push up, I pull that band, smooth, push a little bit more. Tighten it. And now I'm going to take bobby pins to secure the band. I'm just going to take a couple of those. Fluff out my hair a little bit with my hands. Take a few more bobby pins. And now you guys see me pulling like the hair on the front to like kind of hide the band and bobby pins. Fluffing it out a little bit more. And now I'm going to go in with my pick and kind of just lift up my hair a little bit. I'm really a fan of big hair, so this step is really, really crucial if you like your hair to be really big. And now I'm going to take my spray bottle. I'm going to spritz my hair just a little bit, and I'm going to go in to define my curls a little bit more. I'm just taking random pieces and I'm finger coiling. Once again, I'm just taking random pieces, just finger coiling, doing a little fluffing, taking my pick, picking it out a little bit more, giving a little shake. And now I'm going to take an old toothbrush, not my current toothbrush, take a little bit of that Eco Styler gel and just place that on my edges. Now I'm just going to do my baby hairs, and I'm doing baby hairs in like a swooping motion. I take my finger and kind of like help guide the hair. I don't know how to really explain that. Y'all can kind of just see what I'm doing. And I'm going to do that on both sides of my head. All right, y'all, I'm just giving y'all a close-up of what everything looks like. And don't worry about that white cast on my hair, it will dry. Now I'm just showing you guys what the back looks like. And now I'm going to take my scarf and just tie my hair down. This really just helps set the baby hairs. And also, for some reason, when I tie my hair down, it gives like my hair these ridges that I think is really cute, and I like that. So I'm going to tie my hair for about 30 minutes, let that sit. And now I'm just pulling out some of them curls. You don't want to smash your curls with the scarf, so that's what I'm doing here. And after 30 minutes, you want to take the scarf off. As you guys can see, my baby hairs are still in place. You guys can kind of see those ridges I was talking about. Now I'm going to take my pick, fluff it out a little bit more. Giving you guys another close-up of what everything looks like. Alright guys, I am all done. This is how my high puff turned out. This is a simple, quick, and easy hairstyle. This is especially good for if you're in a hurry and you need a quick fix. And it only took me about 6 minutes. Alright guys, this is it for this tutorial. Thank you guys so much. If you guys like what you see, just comment down below, like and subscribe. There will be more videos from me in the future, so stay tuned. Bye.